Hello, everyone. I'm Willie Savar, co founder and CEO of Tchat N Sign. I've also been running a financial services firm for over 13 years. You didn't become a financial advisor to chase paperwork. You're here to help people plan their future, not spend your day in inboxes, spreadsheets, or chasing missing files. Yet somehow, that's what most of your time goes to. At Chat N Sign, that's the very reality we set out to change. Every time a client calls, emails, texts, or drops a document in Messenger, it starts a chain of manual tasks. Follow ups, emails, and chats to your assistant, sending it to transactions, updating the CRM, checking compliance. One simple interaction quickly becomes 10 fragmented actions. That's not efficient, it's exhausting. And it's not just about being organized. You also need to be secure, compliant, and audit ready. With Law 25 or Pipetta, data protection isn't optional. It's a legal and ethical responsibility. That pressure falls on you every day. We built Chat and Sign with one goal: to bring back time, focus, and peace of mind to advisors, to remove friction and help you serve your clients the way you've always wanted to, clearly, efficiently, and confidently. So we created one place where everything comes together: your messages, documents, signatures, team tasks, all connected to your CRM. No more switching tabs, no more copy paste. Just one simple, secure, smart workspace. Picture this: a client texts you, your assistant replies from the office, and your teammate adds a note in the same thread, all without switching apps. Messages, calls, and even Facebook chats, everything is centralized by client. Your tools finally talk to each other. Let's slow it down and walk through a real example. That's where the value really clicks. A client or a prospect sends you a text straight to your office number, or maybe they contact you through your Facebook business page. That message is instantly added to the same conversation thread. You loop in your team, you discuss the client internally, tag a colleague, leave notes, but the client doesn't see any of it. Now, anyone on your team can reply to the client from the same office number. To the client, it feels seamless. It's just the office replying. Yes, faxes still happen, especially in financial services. We let you assign incoming faxes directly to a client's profile. Phone calls can be logged or recorded and archived the same way. Total traceability without extra steps. Here's one of our cool innovations: you can send entire transactions for signature via SMS securely. This gives you an extra compliant alternative to voice calls when confirming limited trading authorizations (LTA). You can also send documents to clients using one secure link, simple for them, safe for you. Now, let's say the client needs to send you documents. You simply send them a secure link, no app download, no fuss. They click the link, take a photo, or upload a PDF, and it appears directly in the conversation. You open the files, preview them, talk with your team about what to do next, all within the same workspace. Once the job's done, you capture the entire exchange and archive it: documents, messages, notes, all sorted into the client's CRM profile. At the end of every interaction, text, file, fax, or call, you just click once and everything is logged properly. Let's have a look, the real app, and how it goes. So here we get like the SMS, the internal chat, the Facebook. You receive a document, you can check it, you can send documents, pick one or two, select that you want to send it from SMS or email. Now you generate summarize of the conversation and you archive it to Equisoft. From their nomenclature, picking the documents that you want to archive with it, link to the client, and voila. When we look back to Equisoft, if you click on the client, you go in activities, you'll have completed activities. If you click on it, the document linked to this activity will be the conversation. So it's an entire PDF as well as the documents that you share over that conversation. We do the exact same thing for voice over IP. So you get the phone number, you can archive and link that phone call to a transaction or to an interaction with the client. And if you go to Equisoft, you see inactivities. Again, it's a completed activity. You click on the activity. The document links are the two boxes that you saw earlier, and the MP3 is right there. Now that the conversation is done, we move to the core part, the transaction. With Chat N Sign, we've streamlined the entire e-signature workflow. What used to take 15 to 20 minutes, download, prep, send, wait, follow up, archive, now takes just 15 seconds. Here's how it works. The advisor drops the document into the platform, then chooses the signature provider, Chat N Sign or OneSpan. Signatories are automatically pulled from Equisoft/Connect. The documents are prepared and routed for signature, sent out via a secure signature chain, and once signed, it's instantly archived into the CRM, the MGA system, SharePoint, or any other service in 15 seconds. So, what does all of this give you? Here's how it looks. So you have the sending to an external. You can pick what you want to send to the external. You have all the activities that will be entered in, integrated in Equisoft. You see two boxes there. There'll be two documents including files in it that you can pick. And if you go back to Equisoft, you look at activities, completed activities, you see the entire process right there. If you click on completing signature, you see the two big boxes that we saw there. One is the specimen check, and the rest is the entire transaction, including the specimen. On average, our users see a 40% gain in efficiency. Fewer manual tasks, fewer back and forths, fewer mistakes. You go faster with less friction and more control. Let's be real. Some of you look at this like entrepreneurs. How fast will this tool pay for itself? Others are solopreneurs thinking, can I afford this on my own? The answer is the same. Yes. If you're ROI focused, saving just 15 minutes per client interaction pays for the platform in a few weeks. Time saved equals more revenue, fewer errors, less admin. If you're cost conscious, start with 1 month. If it doesn't save you time by month 2, cancel. But spoiler, no one does. No admin assistant, this does the job. You get the full platform, messaging, signatures, internal collaboration, CRM sync, mobile access, everything. It's $125 a month or $1,200 per year. That's it. Want to add a user? $25 a month. And setup, training, onboarding, normally $500. We've heard you and we know what you truly need. We started with the foundation, a built in PDF editor available in beta that lets you make quick adjustments without leaving the workflow. Next, we're bringing smart templates because you shouldn't have to recreate the same structure 20 times a week. Imagine if your forms could fill themselves. We're building AI to extract data from your CRM, your client's ID, even their past forms, and pre-fill the entire document for you. You stay in Chat N Sign, you make last-minute changes right there, and you skip the 40,000 broken PDF templates that slow everyone down. This is document prep without the document prep. We're also training a smart assistant hosted in Canada that listens to your calls, reads your chats, and helps you act faster. It transcribes meetings, summarizes key points, and turns them into tasks automatically. So instead of what did I promise the client, you already have the answer in writing, logged, ready to act. Let's face it, sometimes clients send sensitive information in the wrong place. We've built AI to detect those patterns and automatically redirect the conversation to a secure, compliant space. It protects your client's data and protects you from yourself. We know your clients trust you with sensitive information. That's why we host everything on secure Canadian cloud infrastructure. All your data stays in Canada, and we're currently undergoing audits for SOC 2, ISO 27001, and ISO 27701 because compliance isn't optional. We're not just building fast, we're building safe. Let's be honest, this isn't about tech. It's about giving you more time, more focus, more trust with your clients, and the confidence that your firm is secure, compliant, and future ready. Chat and Sign isn't just a tool, it's your daily workspace, your communication layer, your compliance safety net. Ready to spend less time chasing files and more time building real relationships? Let's talk. Let's build a smarter, safer future together.